In this video, we're diving into the 5 best cordless screwdrivers for 2025. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, these tools offer power, precision, and convenience to help you get the job done with ease. If you want more information on the updated price of the product, make sure to check the product links below in the description box. So, let's get started. Number 5. Xiaomi electrical screwdriver. It features a Type-C rechargeable design, which makes charging a breeze. This screwdriver boasts 2-gear torque settings, 0.5 Newton meters for delicate tasks like mobile phones, watches, and glasses, and 0.2 Newton meters for more robust electronics, such as smart speakers and notebooks. One standout feature is the pressing magazine-type magnetic absorption storage. It allows for easy access and organization by simply pressing out the components. The strong magnetic motor reaches a maximum speed of 170 RPM. With an all-metal gearbox, the concentricity of the bits is less than 0.2 millimeters, significantly enhancing your finishing efficiency. It houses a built-in, rechargeable lithium battery, capable of driving over 400 precision screws on a single charge. It's perfect for long projects without frequent recharging. The kit includes 24 pieces of S2 steel precision bits, with a hardness of up to 60 Rockwell C. These bits are tough and durable, meeting the needs of mainstream electronic repairs and new small household appliances. Additionally, there are 6 commonly used 45mm long bits for tackling deep holes and narrow spaces. It features a soft-touch, thermoplastic polyurethane rubber material that makes it comfortable to use for extended periods. The low center of gravity enhances handling, and the non-slip texture provides a secure grip. The integrated aluminum alloy shell is anodized for anti-skid, sweat-resistant, and rust-resistant properties. For charging, it uses a universal Type-C interface with an indicator light that shows the charging status and provides a low-power warning. Number 4. UF Tools 58-in-1 electric screwdriver set. This electric screwdriver set is compact yet incredibly powerful. It features a rotating speed of up to 300 RPM with an adjustable torque range of 0.4 to 0.5 Newton meters. The battery capacity is 350 mAh, and it fully charges in under 70 minutes. On a full charge, it can work continuously for up to 1 hour, which is perfect for tightening around 400 screws. The screwdriver's compact dimensions are just 22.3 centimeters by 10.7 centimeters by 2.4 centimeters, and it weighs only 1 pound, making it lightweight and highly portable. One of the standout features of this screwdriver set is its magnetic design. The bits are magnetically held in place, so even if you accidentally open the shell upside down, the parts will stay secure. The entire body is magnetic, with a magnetization zone at the bottom. Simply touch the drill bit to this area a few times to magnetize it. Additionally, the screwdriver uses a standard USB Type-C charging port, so you do not have to worry about finding a specific adapter. It includes 50 precision bits, a magnetic worktable pad, a suction cup, a crowbar, and tweezers. It is suitable for a wide range of applications, including repairs for tablet computers, mobile phones, quartz watches, electronic bracelets, cameras, precision instruments, joysticks, Xbox controllers, toys, furniture, eyeglasses, and more. The design of the UF Tools screwdriver is as exquisite as it is functional. It features an aluminum alloy metal shell with high-precision, one-piece molding and multiple detailed processes. Number 3. Worx X242 Smart Screwdriver Set. The Worx X242 is a 4-volt electrical screwdriver that delivers a no-load speed of 300 RPM. It offers a maximum hard torque of 44 inch-pounds and a maximum soft torque of 22 inch-pounds. Despite its impressive power, this screwdriver is lightweight at just 1.5 pounds, making it comfortable to handle from various angles and in tight spaces. One of the best features of this screwdriver is its ease of use. You can generate maximum torque by simply holding down a button. The 4-volt motor provides performance comparable to some drills, with approximately 45 minutes of no-load working time on a single charge. And if you're using the tool in short bursts, it will last even longer. Plus, it fully charges in just an hour and a half, so you can get back to work quickly. This set comes with a variety of bits and accessories to cover all your needs. It includes 12 bits, 3 Phillips bits, 3 slotted bits, 2 Torx bits, 2 square recess insert bits, 1 2-inch power bit, and 1/4 inch magnetic bit holder. The Worx WX242 features 3 speed settings, slow, medium, and fast, to handle different screwdriving tasks. The slow setting is perfect for removing screws, while the fast setting is ideal for driving large fasteners. For added convenience, the screwdriver has a low battery light indicator, so you know when it's time to recharge. It also includes 2 LED lamps to illuminate your work area, making it easy to see what you are doing, even in dark spaces. Number 2. Miniware ES15S Screwdriver. The Miniware ES15S features dual modes and 4 working states to enhance its versatility. You can use the Smart Motion Control mode, which allows you to engage forward or reverse with just a slight turn of the wrist. Alternatively, you can switch to directional mode for more controlled forward or reverse action. This screwdriver is powered by a high-performance cordless motor, offering fast start and reliable operation. It reaches speeds of up to 470 RPM and provides electronic torque of up to 0.16 Newton-meters, with manual torque reaching up to 2 Newton-meters. Despite its compact size, it's incredibly powerful, ideal for both daily tasks and more demanding projects. The Miniware ES15S comes with a large capacity built-in battery, allowing it to work continuously for up to 6 hours without load. The intelligent battery management system automatically monitors the battery power and activates protection when the power is low, ensuring extended battery life and durability for long-term storage. The Miniware ES15S is not only powerful, but also compact and thoughtfully designed. It features a shadowless LED light that can be turned on or off as needed to illuminate your work area. The OLED screen has been increased by 30% for clearer and more vivid display, and the entire body is constructed from high-quality 304 stainless steel. With smart motion control and directional modes, this screwdriver adapts to both quick tasks and heavy-duty use. The impact function and adjustable torque allow for precise control and personalized operation. The anti-stuck function ensures smooth and trouble-free use. Number 1. Arrowmax M1 Pro Screwdriver Set. The Arrowmax M1 Pro features an innovative touch-sensitive switch that replaces the traditional mechanical button. This touch control technology allows for effortless operation. Just a simple touch is all it takes to get the job done. This improvement not only boosts efficiency, but also offers a fresh user experience. One of the standout features of the M1 Pro is the M1 angle screw accessory. Crafted from CNC machined 7075 aerospace-grade aluminum and reinforced with steel gears, this accessory enables you to work in tight spaces and at challenging angles with precision and ease. The M1 Pro screwdriver set comes with a versatile range of 60 magnetic bits, all with a hardness rating of HARC 60. This extensive selection ensures that you are prepared for most tasks. Additionally, the screwdriver offers 5 torque modes, giving you the flexibility to adjust according to your needs. The M1 Pro is equipped with a Smart Motion Control System, also known as the SMC system. This unique feature allows you to control the screwdriver by simply twisting your wrist. A slight rotation to the left or right adjusts the screw tightness, while the motor automatically calibrates the torque based on the rotation angle. This provides a torque range of 1 to 10 kg/cm. Powering the M1 Pro is a high-efficiency 600 mAh lithium battery. This powerful battery allows you to tighten or loosen over 900 screws on a single charge, with a continuous working time of up to 90 minutes. The screwdriver also features fast Type-C charging, which brings the battery to full power in just 100 minutes, minimizing downtime and keeping you productive. There you have it, the top 5 cordless screwdrivers for 2025. Which one do you think suits your needs best? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews.